Now when you come to Ibiza, there's one thing Sarah and I highly recommend, and that's doing a boat cruise. It's the best way to see the island. They take you to some of the most popular beaches around Ibiza, and you really need to actually be here just to experience how cool this place really is. Sarah and I are doing a boat cruise around Ibiza. It goes for about 5 or 6 hours, and one of the benefits is that it stops at some of the most popular and biggest beaches on the island.
So we're in Cala Bassa, and I'm sorry I'm late to this. I was just chatting to a lovely German lady who comes here to work for the season, and she agrees it's just the most magical place ever.
This is a Wednesday afternoon, so let Sarah and I take you for a bit of a cruise around the beach that we are taking a break at. I can't believe it, it's amazing.